Hey, this is Adalia's commercial just for her beautiful car. Now, thank you to the lady who sent me my beautiful car. What's her name again?
It's Lyft.
Lady
Thank
Lyft.
you, Lyft. I love your name, by the way. Thanks.
Do you have your seatbelt on?
To the sky.
Do you have your seatbelt on?
Of course I do.
You better tighten that, girl.
See ya!
Alrighty. Stay on the sidewalk. You don't have your license yet.
Tell her to come back.
Come back here.
Go get her.
What the heck?
Oh.
Oh. Come back over here in the shade.
Uh-oh. Come on. She said, let's go, baby.
Come back
Come
up
under
this
the
way.
tree. Come on. Babe, you want to... Stop. Stop. You're going to run me over.
All right, put it in park. All right, so we got some exciting news for you guys. We had partnered up with Lyft so I don't mess this up.
Whoa.
We partnered up with Lyft for a great cause. Everyone that downloads the link in the description with the code name Adalia gets $50 in free ride credits with Lyft for every download that you guys download. And out of those downloads, for every download, they're going to donate $1 to medical research from every download. So this is a really big deal, guys. This is a really great opportunity to do something great with that. And share, comment, spread the word, because, hey, $50 in free ride credits, use it wisely, you know, drive safe. And we're excited about it. We're driving crazy over here, and we're just having a good time.
Oh my God.
Go Lyft! See? Get your ride credits soon. You don't want to be driving behind that wheel.
Okay, Adalia, you ready? Hey, stop, girl. Stop. Okay.
See you later, guys. Remember, love ya. And when you're in the car, roll down the window and let your hair blow. Bye!
Thanks, Lyft.